Okay, so dahil po sa wala ang ating supervisor, ang gaganap po ng presentation and acceptance of the certificates ay ang ating punong guro at ang si Madam Remilyn.
Okay, everybody graduate, please stand.
Tayo muna kayo mga bata, tayo. Bitawan muna yung iniinom. Okay.
Ma'am, I have the honor to present to you the 69 candidates for pre-LM graduation who successfully completed the requirements for pre-LM curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education.
Tayo muna kayo ng maayos bago kayo po-proclaim. And by the authority vested in me as Principal of Santiago Elementary School, wala pa. I now proclaim you as graduates of pre-elementary at pwede na kayong mag-grade 1 sa darating na June. Palakpakan tala po rin ang anak tamong may graduate pre-LM. Ngayong June, pwede na po mag-grade 1. And announcement po, sige, pwede na kayo maupo ngayon mga bata. Announcement po, lahat ng mga batang ito ngayon, pwede nang mag-grade 1 next school year or this June. Pagkatapos, pakisabi po doon sa mga nagpalista na hindi, wala pang background sa schooling, hindi nag-pre-LM, hindi nag-daycare, at na pong may palista, libre po summer class this April 12. Libriya po alayang bayan. Tutuya pong alang bayan. This is for really the less fortunate. For the less fortunate. Deta po talagang alang pamayad pitasa. Di po? Detang